How to draw a mandrill from Genshin Impact. This is the charcoal pencil I usually use. The extender has lost its paint. Although old, but it works well. For hair, draw to curly brackets directly. The two sides are competing with my shun. Eyes are like a quadrilateral. Double eyelids. A little interval. Eyebrows have to tail tips. Side face with pen. Hair. Complete picture. Draw the ears. Different directions of hair. Draw the main lines first. Don't draw with 2 strokes if you can draw with 1 stroke. Maid headdress lace. Curved picture cabinet. Then reduce the intensity to draw the shadow line. Draw the side hair. The most difficult hair to draw. Prioritize. Line. Draw the neck and collar. Draw the small details of the hair. Next, draw the hair here. Draw the main lines. Draw the bow. The strength of the line drawn by the maid. Intended epidemic. Add detail lines. The maid's eyes are oval in shape with shadow lines. Adding hair shadows. A golden sign in the eye. Draw the nose and mouth. Finished.